In this video, I will show you how to increase mouse pointer size. So click on Start and search mouse setting. So here you will see mouse pointer speed, and we need now click on mouse pointer, and here you can increase the size. You can make up to 15 point, and you can see the preview. You can change color, black, white, inverted, and custom color. Also, you can choose another color from here. So thanks for watching.